In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send notes to Notion easily. This is a simple and effective solution that will save you time and streamline your workflow, making sure your notes are always organized and accessible. Stick around as we explore these steps together, ensuring you get the most out of Notion. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Notion account. If you're not familiar, Notion is a versatile productivity tool that offers a range of features to help manage your projects and notes. Now, head over to their official website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on their homepage, which highlights Notion as an intuitive AI workspace. It's designed to cater to various needs, be it personal, educational, or business. Explore the layout briefly to get accustomed to the interface. Next, we will focus on adding a helpful tool to your arsenal, the Notion Web Clipper. This extension is particularly useful for saving content from the web directly into your Notion workspace. Look for the option named Download Web Clipper. It's typically prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Clicking on it will direct you to a download page where you can conveniently add this extension to your browser. Once on the download page, search for the Notion Web Clipper link. This link is straightforward to locate thanks to its clear labeling. Clicking on it will bring up a typical download prompt, which your browser might display at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your system settings. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After the download, it's time to install and activate the Web Clipper extension. The browser might prompt you to enable permissions, such as allowing access to your tabs and Notion account. Make sure to grant these permissions, as they are crucial for the Clipper to function seamlessly. Once activated, you'll notice the Web Clipper icon appearing near the address bar of your browser. This icon is your new best friend for quickly compiling information and notes from the web to your Notion workspace. At this stage, you're all set to start using the Notion Web Clipper. Whenever you find an article, image, or any piece of information you want to save, simply click on the Web Clipper icon. It will allow you to choose or create a destination page within your Notion account where this new content will be stored. This process not only keeps your notes uninterruptedly flowing into Notion, but also maintains organization at its best. By knowing exactly where everything goes, you reduce clutter and make future access convenient. As you can see, sending notes to Notion using the Web Clipper is an uncomplicated process that vastly improves efficiency. With practice, you'll find this method becoming second nature, enhancing how you interact with online content. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. Now it's your turn to implement these steps and optimize your note-taking capabilities with Notion.